Yo, it's your boy Damien Dupee back at you, #1 off-market land specialist. Listen, you don't want to miss this epic wild content. I got a cheat sheet. I'm going to be telling you all about it. Listen, if you want the full video, the link is in the description. Look no further.
You have to be short and sweet on the phone, ladies and gentlemen. Please do not call nobody saying, how you doing today? People don't care. What they want to know is, who are you and what do you want? If you don't want to get the clicky, the hang up, you have to get straight in and straight out, okay? So these scripts have been tested by me personally. They work. You'll be surprised how short my sales calls are. Some of my calls are 3 to 5 minutes. I'm able to tell if this person is motivated or not. And hopefully with me sharing these scripts with you, it will give you the confidence, the courage, and the insight you need to be able to close a vacant land deal and earn people business.